Okay, now time for the real test. Power on, connected there. Gain all the way up. Headphone. Now I have this headphone jack plugged into an old speaker I got out of who knows what. Again, thank goodness I'm an electronics hoarder. My keyer is still connected there, so let's give it a couple of pulses. Very slick, works just fine. Not loud enough? Fine, or too loud, you can adjust the gain. Let's go down. Very good. All built. Less than 1 hour, including troubleshooting and including fiddling with my little speaker. I think it's pretty doable for the kids. The only difficult part might be this IC. That is some pretty small pieces. But other than that, we have a good first start for our household telegram service. Need to come up with a name for that, something catchy. I'll get the kids to work on that.